Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Summer Celebration release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at Ap-peach-iation. Ap-peach-iation is a 3x4 stamp set designed by Dani, and there is a coordinating die set available. This 5-piece die set will cut out separate areas of the single stamp image of Ap-peach-iation, allowing you to add dimension to the stamped image or change the layout of the sentiment. So I'll show you what each of those are. I love when we do this because it just gives you a lot more options. I just think it's super fun, and these stamps are some of my favorites anyway. So here are each of the pieces die cut out. I did actually stamp this a few times just to make sure that I didn't have any overlap with the die. But let's take a look at a card I made using Ap-peach-iation. I think this one is so much fun. And now let's take a look at what the rest of the design team has made for you. So be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.